technique videos, and today's tutorial will be about exponential equations. Let's go!
Now I'm out here looking like revenge, feeling like a 10.
Okay, so this is our first example. We have 4 to the x is equal to 2. Yes, now notice that 4 and 2 have a lot in common. So what we're going to do here, that's right, factor them out. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2 squared times x is equal to 2 to the first. Now 2 to the first is always 2. So we're going to distribute this, and that's going to be 2 to 2x is equal to 2 to the first. Now, notice in exponential equation, like bases are more like useless. So what we're going to do is kill them out. Now we are left with 2x is equal to 1. Next thing that we're going to do is solve for x. So I'm going to have 2 over there, 2 over there. So we have x is equal to 1/2. So that's our first example right there. Easy, right? We are going to rewrite the equation. We have e to the power of 4x minus 1 and is equal to e to the power of 2x. This happened because we have multiplied 2 to the x, so we got e to the power of 2x. So we have to remember that in exponential equations cancel out if they have the same bases. So we are going to kill the base e here and rewrite the equation. We have 4x minus 1 is equal to 2x. Next, we are going to subtract 4x on both sides. So we have minus 4x on both sides. Then we are going to have negative 1. So we have negative 4x minus 2x. We are going to have negative 2x simply because we have negative on the bigger number, the higher number, and then minus 2. So we're just simply gonna follow the sign of the higher number. So next we are going to solve for x. So we're simply gonna divide this into negative, divided into 2. We're gonna cancel out 2. Then we are going to have negative 1/2 is equal to negative x. Now we need to multiply everything by negative x to get a positive x variable. So we are going to have x is equal to 1/2 since both sides are negative. Multiplied by a negative 1, they're going to be both be positive. And there you have it, everyone. We just explained to you how to solve an exponential equations with like bases. Now on our third example, we have 5/2 to the x is equal to 4 over 25. So yes, these are fractions. We're using fractions 5/2 and we have 4 to the 25 here. Now we are going to factor it out. Since we have 2 here, we have 4, we have 5, and we have 25. So let's bring down 5/2 to the x. At the same time distributing them. So we have 5/2 to the x. Now we're going to rewrite this as 2 squared over 5 squared. And again, same rule on exponential equations. We are going to keep working at it to find the like bases. Now we have 2 squared over 5 squared. And we have 5/2 to the x here. So we're going to do it this way. See, we just made our 5 to the power of 2 or negative 2 as our numerator and 2 to the negative 2 as our denominator to make like bases. And I'm bringing down 5/2 to the x. Now what does that bring us? This is what's going to happen. Since we have like bases, that's going to be rewritten as 5/2 halves to the x. 5 halves to the negative. Cancel the like bases, and now we have x is equal to the negative 2. So we're just going to box it out right there. Our final answer will be this. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. For more videos, please click the subscribe button for Nick videos. Thanks.
Baby, I'm sorry.